Hello everyone, my name is Lokesh and a warm welcome to my channel. I am the founder of Job Ladders Recruitment Consultancy based in Mumbai. The topic that I am going to discuss today is a very important one which every candidate should be aware about. I will be discussing about the recurring habit of the candidates of skipping their scheduled interviews, why they do it and what are its consequences. So stay with me till the end of this video to learn more on today's topic. But before we begin, let me remind you that if you are a first time viewer or if you have landed on my channel for the first time, then click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will receive the notifications of my videos as soon as I upload them. Also, I would request you to share this video as much as possible so that we can reach out to many more people. So let's begin this video. Getting a call for an interview always makes the candidate happy since he knows that he has been chosen out of the many profiles that have applied for the same job. He realizes the importance of getting a new job in terms of career growth, better financial resources, and all other benefits that come with it. It would be an interview in such an organization in which the candidate had been dreaming of securing his career since many days, months, or years. Whenever the HR department has chosen your resume and they have informed you that an interview has been scheduled for you in their organization, obviously there must be something strong and convincing about your profile that they have chosen you. Hence, they expect you to turn up for the interview on the scheduled date. On the other hand, the candidate is also excited on getting this opportunity and is looking forward for the interview. However, there is an increasing trend of cases wherein quite a number of candidates do not turn up for the interview on the scheduled date. Now, this habit is surely going to affect your career growth and prospects. I will be talking about its consequences in the very next video. But for now, let me just talk about why the candidates do not take the interview calls very seriously, and then we will try to understand how to overcome it. Reason number 1. Anxiety or nervousness. This is a very common reason which is quite popular among the fresh candidates who are going to be attending their very first interview. The very thought of being among the people of the corporate world leads to a lot of anxiety among these candidates. They fear about whether or not they will be able to communicate with the interview panel in a very professional way or not. They very well know that the quality of communication in the corporate world is something that they have never experienced before. This is simply because the professional communication to be maintained in a corporate environment is completely different and nothing like the type of communication that we have with our friends in schools and colleges. And on top of this, if the candidate happens to be of an introvert type, then this problem becomes even more challenging to overcome. In such situations, anxiety and nervousness is on the top of the list of the reasons why the candidates decide against turning up for the interview. Reason number 2. Lack of preparation. This is no rocket science that each and every candidate has to be well prepared before turning up for a job interview. This is irrespective of the stage of a career that a candidate is in. Be a fresher or a highly experienced candidate, there cannot be any excuses for lack of preparation for an interview. But this problem exists more with the fresh job seekers or maybe someone who may have been at the most 2 to 3 years in the corporate world. They have this misconception that the interviews at the entry level are very casual ones and hence they believe that they would be able to clear their interview quite easily without any challenges. Due to this, the candidate prepares only for some casual questions which he thinks will be asked during the interview, like about his educational qualifications, his skills, etc. However, the candidate also needs to know that he also has to research about the company in which he is attending the interview. He should be aware about the business of the organization simply because it will give him more clarity in decision making regarding his willingness to join a specific industry or sector. Apart from this, there are also a few other things for which the candidate has to be well prepared. Things like salary negotiation, work culture, job timings, appraisal and promotion policies of the organization are some of the very important aspects for which the candidate has to be well prepared before the interview. Failing to prepare for any of these, you will surely be faced with a quick rejection. I hope that after watching this video, you might have come to know about the importance of attending your scheduled interview and the consequences that it might lead to if you skip your interview because of some silly reasons. Now we move on to the next part of this topic where I will share with you some more information in my next video. In case if you have any queries, opinions or suggestions regarding the content that we have discussed in this specific video, then please leave a comment below. I will be replying to them personally on priority. Once again, I would like to remind every one of you to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon and keep on supporting my channel, which will encourage me to bring more quality content for all of you. Please share this video with as many people as you can so that we would be able to reach out to maximum people. See you again in the next video. Thank you.